We are having lunch at Cheesecake Factory today. And since it's a national chain, I don't want to go over the whole menu and everything. We'll just talk about what we're ordering today. And one of my favorite things to get here is the macaroni and cheeseburger.
Okay, so you still want a macaroni cheeseburger?
Yeah, it's got fried macaroni and cheese balls, cheddar cheese sauce, lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions. It's really good. Catherine forgot her glasses, so we may be here a while.
It's a long time.
Of course, we know they have good cheesecake. Although the cheesecake I made, I thought was, pat myself on the back, just as good. Catherine's go-to favorite is the lunch salmon, the fresh grilled salmon. So that's what she'll get. Catherine was the healthy one today. She got the grilled salmon, some broccoli, and mashed potato. Good. I was not so healthy today.
You're healthy too.
Oh, I gotta get mustard. So here's the hamburger patty with cheese. And then here's the, right there is the fried macaroni and cheese. Lettuce, tomato, pickles,
I like this.
little French fries. Really good. I just gotta get mustard. All my favorite things. Good burger.
This is my favorite Sunday.